If your Chrome settings are not showing, hidden, blank, or just refusing to open, don't worry. This usually means Chrome is dealing with a glitch, a broken extension, or a corrupted profile file. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. First, let's bypass the menu completely with a direct URL. If clicking the three dots menu doesn't open settings because the option is hidden or the interface is bugged, click into the Chrome address bar at the top of your screen, type chrome://settings and press enter. This takes you straight to the settings page without needing to rely on the menu. If you specifically need the reset section and the page is working, you can go directly to chrome://settings/reset as well. This is often the quickest way to confirm whether the problem is just the menu or the settings page itself. Now, if the settings tab opens but all you see is a blank white page, the issue is usually related to hardware acceleration or GPU rendering. To fix that, completely close Google Chrome first. Then right-click your desktop Chrome shortcut and choose Properties. In the target field, go all the way to the end of the text after the closing quote mark, press the space bar once and type --disable -GPU. Click Apply, then OK, and launch Chrome using that shortcut. This tells Chrome to open without the GPU rendering mode that may be causing the blank settings screen, and in many cases the page loads normally again. Next, let's check whether a bad extension is blocking the settings interface. A corrupt or malicious extension can interfere with Chrome's menus and pages, so press Ctrl, Shift, and N together to open an Incognito window. Once that opens, click the three dots, hover over extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, turn off all active extensions one by one. If Chrome starts behaving normally after that, one of your extensions was likely the cause. You can then re-enable them individually until you find the one creating the issue. If the settings still do not appear, the next step is to reset the Chrome user profile folder. This is a little more advanced, but it can fix internal data corruption that stops Chrome from loading menus properly. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, paste this exact path, %localappdata \google \chrome and press enter. When the folder opens, look for the folder named user data. Right-click it, choose rename, and change the name to user data old, then restart Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically create a fresh user profile folder with clean settings data, which often restores missing or broken settings pages. This step is especially useful if Chrome's profile files have become damaged over time. So to recap, if Chrome settings are not showing, start by using the direct chrome://settings URL, then try disabling GPU acceleration, then test your extensions in incognito mode, and finally reset the user profile folder if needed. One of these fixes usually solves the problem fast. If this video helped you get Chrome working again, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.